A giant pileated woodpecker on our suet feeder. That bird is the largest woodpecker. He is about as big as a crow, a large crow. Look at him go. Suet. I'm glad I stuck it out because that feeder has been hanging there for almost a year. And the suet actually overwintered. And I just didn't think anything would want it. And he found it this year. Oh yeah, it's almost gone. We're going to have to get some more. I've seen another smaller woodpecker species. I don't think it's the female. Because only the males have the red, right?
Pileated.
Both do? Okay, well, it's a smaller black and white woodpecker. Not small, but smaller. Also has found it, but I only saw him once. Look at that guy. He's like making the thing sag. He's so heavy.
Clean the beak off on the tree.
Yep. Away he goes.